If Christ had not died, he would not have imputed righteousness unto us. So with Christ there, and what Christ has done, it makes us precious in his sight. After all, God is our Father, isn't he? And matter of fact, he is called our Heavenly Father. And since he is our Heavenly Father, and Jesus Christ is his Son, guess what? The Son dwells in the bosom of the Father. And the Father is there listening to Jesus when Jesus talks to him. And so since he's in the bosom of the Father, he is closest to the Father's